And the first thing you do is you go into your fucking garden, you get all these peppers and you just grab them. Grab every fucking pepper that you can. You know, there's a lot of them. Just grab them all. Cut the stems off later, you know. So now you come to your kitchen, you place them on the cotton board, and you know what? Fucking one of them is rotten. So what are you gonna do? These aren't enough for a hot sauce. You go on the internet and you buy a fucking lot of them. Just habanero, Trinidad Scorpion, ají amarillo. Fuck that. You're gonna make your sauce out of that. Fuck the shit in the garden. Fuck you rotten piece of shit. I'm gonna make it out of that. To make the hot sauce, you also need a brine. The brine is water with salt. You need a measuring cup, water and salt. So you measure it, the water, you know, around 1 liter, and you put in 3% salt. That's 30 grams of salt per liter. Now, when you have this fucking garbage, you're gonna get yourself a quality knife, you know, from IKEA, and you chop everything up and you're gonna put it in a jar. And when you've put it all into a jar, you realize the jar's getting bigger and bigger and bigger. That's the CO2 from the fermentation process. It takes about 2 weeks. And after about 2 weeks, this is the size of the jar that you're gonna get. This is the perfect size of jar that you want to make your hot sauce out of. So now we're gonna make some fucking hot sauce. Now this is the part where you put on your fucking gloves, because this shit is hot as hell. I mean, you don't want to, you know, get it onto your fucking fingers or rub it on your freshly shaven balls, you know. Don't do that shit. Put on fucking gloves. Let's go. Open it up. Oh, you hear the pressure relief. Oh, it smells like fucking hell, mate. Ooh. Oh, bruh. Oh, Jesus Christ. Let's get rid of that. Alright, so first of all, you save the fucking liquid. You can make pepper spray out of that, man. You can make weapons of mass destruction out of that broth, you know. So how the fuck are we going to do this now? No, just do it. Fucking hell. Alright, that looks like piss, but deadly. Just save that for later. This is the part where we're going to chuck everything into the blender. And it's also the part where I say, go to your grandparents, ask them for their World War II gas mask, because this is gonna be toxic. So, right, let's go. Chuck them all in. Just push him in there. Oh man, my eyes are sweating. Let's fucking go. I said let's fucking go, you fucking... Let's go. Just give it a little push. Now look how toxic that looks. Just look at it. This is pure hell. Now let's take the top off and try not to choke. Remember, get your World War II gas mask. I forgot mine, by the way. Jesus! Fuck! My eyes! put it back on. Alright, now it's time to pour the sauce into your bottle. You've got your little bottles and you got your big bottles. And what you do is you get your own logo, like this, and you put it on the bottle. Luckily, I'm a cheeky little bugger. And I've already done it! Ha! No applause? Fuck you. So now what you do, right, is you open it up, get your little funnel, or your littler funnel, or even more little funnel. Let's not do that. And you put it in. And just go ahead and pour the toxic waste in there. Oh no, it's gonna... Oh! Jesus Christ. Oh, I'm gonna regret this. Nice and easy. Don't overshoot it though. For fuck's sakes! And there you go, make your own hot sauce, finished. Now, people are gonna suffer because of this, and I'm gonna like it. See you next time. Please subscribe, please like the video. Bye bye.